Welcome to ECG Training. In this training, we explain all the steps you need to do on the interactive training screen in Turkish or English. You can guide the patient with voice command support.
Lie down, please.
When the command is received, the patient will switch to the desired position. When you complete a task, your new task is automatically displayed on the interactive training screen. Touching the electrodes displays their names on the interactive electrode information screen, helping you learn. In the VR environment, you can experience placing electrodes on the patient's body, just like in the real world. Our interactive training model guides you through each step, accelerating and reinforcing your learning experience. Real machine sounds and visuals are integrated into the training to enhance your experience. With the hologram heart model, you can better understand how the heart works and make your learning experience unique. Interactive arrows on the heart allow you to learn about its different parts. With the Tirade blood flow simulation, you can easily understand how blood moves through the heart. By viewing in 360 degrees, you can examine every detail of the heart. By reviewing your ECG sample printout, you have completed the training. Congratulations! You now have a hands-on and memorable ECG training experience.